Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this and the second part, which will follow in several weeks, this old motorcycle will be restored. It is now already 44 years old, and was developed by the Italian manufacturer RIZZATO. This model called Satan Cross, has a 3 horsepower engine with a displacement of 50 cc. With this trailer, I now bring the motorcycle to a car wash, because there I will clean it. The wheels have lost air, because the bike was in a barn for 30 years. Therefore, I decide to pump them up. Since the gas cable was broken, I remove it. I also remove the carburetor because that's where the gas cable was attached. When I removed the gas cable from the carburetor, I cleaned it as well. Here you can see how badly you can move the old gas cable, and how well the new one. Now I attach the new gas cable to the gas handle and the carburetor. Now I remove the manifold and exhaust from the engine, to clean it. The next process must not be imitated under any circumstances. Next I remove the manifold from the exhaust to douse it with petrol and set it alight, as this burns the dirt. Now I remove the tank to derust it by electrolysis. To this I fill the tank with water and connect the plus pole to a spanner and the minus pole of the charger to the tank. I am now removing this protective plastic to clean and repaint it. Then I remove the seat to take out the engine so that it can be cleaned and the oil can be refilled. Here you can see that a clutch from Ducati and a carburetor from Dell'Orto are installed. These are two very good manufacturers. Now I take the chain off the sprocket so that the motor does not get stuck. Now I can take out the engine and clean it. Now I wash it a second time with a steam cleaner. After I'll still bulge the frame with petrol. I then derusted the rear brake axle. And then the rims. I have to unscrew the front and rear mudguards to clean and repaint them. The first thing I will do is unscrew the horn and try to repair it. After opening, you can see that the connectors are broken off, so I am trying to solder them back on. Then I reassembled it. Unfortunately, it still didn't work because the magnet stopped working, so I decided to buy a new horn. Because this is a 12-volt horn and the motorcycle only has a 6-volt connection, I add another 7V battery. After I attach the battery, fasten the cables and connect them to the horn. Then I change the required light bulb. Later I will install a new tail light. Next I will install an ignition lock. Then I reinstall the engine. Then I reinstall the fenders and the side guards. The last thing I do is install the exhaust and the manifold. Now follows a bike porn.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone in effect, cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about ain't with the love? And I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust it. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune. I'm flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe. And 40 on 50 is really the time. Why are you all on my phone like you want me? Like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side. I don't know if you thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. All the pictures, dimensions, I don't with your digits.